This is Optimum Prime, and today we're going to show you how to install a copy of FreeNAS. Well, you won't believe today, as I am on the moon today. On the moon. Yes, the moon. Yes. Well, Optimum Prime, going home. And now I'll pass over all to Al, your tutor maker from Open Source Channel.
Hello guys, this is Al from Open Source Channel and welcome again for a new episode. As Optimum Prime said, I'm going to show you how to install a FreeNAS on your server. The first thing you want to do is download the latest copy. I'll say no thank you and download the 64-bit version and press download. I'm going to save it. It's only 200 meg, so it won't take long. It's a couple of minutes. Today, of course, I'm going to use my server through the VMware. So I'm going to create, while downloading, a new virtual machine. I'm going to choose typical FreeNAS for the name. Set on the T2 Maximus. That's the actual hard disk I'm using for the images. Choose Linux. Now I think this is based on Fedora. So let's say add a Linux 64 bits. Next. Now I think I'm going to choose 20 gig for this disk. And I press finish. Actually, tell you what, edit the virtual machine. So for the memory, I'm going to use 8 gigabytes. 8 GB. CPU, I'm going to use 2 sockets. No, sorry, one socket. Let me use one socket, 2 cores. We already set this for 20 gig. And I'm going to click finish. That's FreeNAS. That's been done. So I right click, continue folder. I'm going to copy this here. Go to this one here. Well, let's do this. Data store, I right click. I'm going to say browse data store, ISO there, and I'm going to upload the file there. I'm going to paste the address where the ISO image is there, and I'm going to upload it. Say yes. It shouldn't take too long. Sorry about this. Job done. Alright, job done there. go to FreeNAS, and I'm going to tell you what. First thing I'm going to do is click on this icon there, and I'm going to mount ISO image on the data store. Click on FreeNAS there. Okay. Job done. Power on, and let's see what happens. Let's go to console. Here we go. So I'm going to choose install on a 20 gig, of course. Yes. Then I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to reboot. Now, this is the first step. Now I'm going to get out for a second here. So release the cursor. Just want to show you is 192. I think it was 192.168.153 if I see that correctly. And there we go. As you can see, is nearly done, right? So I go back on the VMware. Here you can actually reset the password. We haven't set it yet. You can reboot, shut down, whatever you want to do. This is logically the URL. We just, it's being given by the actual DHCP server. So anyway, let's go back on the browser and let's make a new password on this. And there we go. We just installed a copy of FreeNAS. Now today I'm not going to go too much in details on how to use it, but hopefully if I got some time next week, I'm going to make a new video on how to get started with FreeNAS. Here you can add new users. You can make as many users as you want. User ID is automatically. But before you do that, really, let's exit this. You want make sure that you set up the storage where everything's going to be, right? At the moment, it's nothing there. Logically, you want to see the disks. If you've got multiple hard disks, you can format it, and you can do all sorts of things, really. Now here, this is the actual IP. You can use HTTPS if you wanted to. If you configure with IPv6, it's up to you, whatever. You can change the port or leave it like this. For the HTTPS 443, of course, language is English, or you can choose any language you really want, as long as it's available, because I don't know if everything is available. Time zone, if you want to. In this case, I am in UK, so it's gonna be somewhere in London, I think. There we go. And here you can choose the actual directory service. Active Directory, that's up to you how you want to do it, okay? But as I said, I'll make a new video on how to get started with the FreeNAS. Also in the future, there's another video I want to do is that I was being told is, I think it's called NAS for free. This is another free NAS appliance, open source, that I'm going to make a new video on it. But well, hopefully I can make it in the next couple of weeks or maybe 3. See how it goes. This one looks pretty good, pretty neat. Yeah. Anyway, thanks again for joining me, and hopefully you're going to subscribe, like, and share my videos. You can follow me on Twitter, YouTube, of course, and on my website. And again, if you've got any questions, please just write a comment, and I'll try to do my best to answer every one of you. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.